This week is Overdose Awareness Week, and tragically, over 93,000 Americans died from a drug overdose in 2020. Here to talk about the significance of the Awareness Week is Carlos Briano, Public Information Officer for the Drug Enforcement Administration El Paso Division. Welcome back, Carlos.
Thank you, Andrea. The overdose epidemic has taken a toll on far too many Americans and their loved ones. So on this Overdose Awareness Week, we ask the public to recommit to the work of preventing overdoses and to support individuals with a substance use disorder. The men and women of the DEA are committed to strengthening our collective efforts to prevent overdose deaths, save lives, and have safe and healthy communities.
And I was reading some of the statistics in the proclamation, and the one that shook me were the ones that talked about those most at risk. So can you talk about some of those?
Yes, of course. According to the latest national survey on drug use and health, more than 20 million people aged 12 or older had a substance use disorder this past year. It confirms what we've been sharing in several tips of the year, throughout the year. That's why DEA believes in a three-pronged approach of enforcement, diversion control, and community outreach. And this tip of the week is part of that outreach. We thank your station for assisting us with the important endeavor because awareness and community outreach are key.
And the proclamation also talked about many of the different actions that are taken by several organizations, including one by the DEA. So tell us about that one.
Yes, the proclamation mentioned several actions by organizations like Health and Human Services, the CDC, SAMHSA, and ONDCP, but it also mentioned how DEA lifted a decade-long moratorium on opioid treatment programs that want to include a mobile component. So this rule change will reduce barriers to treatment in rural areas and other underserved communities. And if you want to learn how you can get involved in the work to prevent drug overdoses, please visit our website, dea.gov. Click on What We Do tab.
Thank you so much for all of the information. It's always a pleasure to have you in studio with us, Carlos. Thank you.
Thank you, Andrea.
We'll be right back with more news and weather.